everybody! Today we'll be learning about how to add 3 to a number and how to add 4 to a number. So once you know how to add 1 or 2 to a number, adding 3 or 4 to a number isn't hard. So let's say you had 2 plus 3. So we can start with the diagram again. And so let's say you had 2 circles and then you have 3 more circles. So how many circles does that make in total? It makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles in total. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Let's try one more example. Let's say you had 7 plus 3. So let's say you had 7. So let's say you had 7 squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's say your teacher adds in 3 more. So 1, 2, 3. So now how many squares do you have in total? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. Let's try these two problems with the number line. Let's draw the number line. So start with the 2 plus 3. So you make a big dot on 2, right? So this time, because you're adding 3, you jump 3 spots. So you go 1, 2, 3. And you land on 5. So 2 plus 3 equals 5, which is what we got over here too. Let's say you had 7 plus 3. You start on 7. And then you jump 3 spots because you're adding 3. So you go 1, 2, 3. So 7 plus 3 equals 10, which is evident of what we got here. So pretty much all you have to know about adding any number using the number line is that how many ever you're adding to that number, that's how many spots you jump. So since you're adding 3, you jump 3 spots. But if you were adding 4, let's say, so say you had 5 plus 4, how many spots would you jump? You would jump 4 spots. So let's start on 5, and then since you're jumping 4 spots, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. And you end up on 9. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. And of course you can also do this using a diagram. So you'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you have 4 more because you're adding 4. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many circles would you have in total? You would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which is the same thing we got using the number line. So I'll try one more example. Let's say you had 1 plus 4. So you start on the number 1, and then you jump 4 spots. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, which equals 5. So 1 plus 4 equals 5. Now just for adding 2 or adding 1, you could also flip these two. So let's say you had 3 plus 2 instead of 2 plus 3. Now, in this case, it doesn't really matter because you know how to add 2 and you know how to add 3. So okay, let's skip this example. Let's say you had 3 plus 7. Now how would you do this? Because like 7 is such a big number, I don't really know how to add 7. But once again, what you can do, you can just flip them in your head. So now it's 7 plus 3. So when you do 7 plus 3, you're going to get 10. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. But since this quantity and this quantity are the same, then 3 plus 7 will also equal 10. So once again, same thing for like 1 plus 4. You can make it 4 plus 1. Now, of course, same thing with this example. It's very easy to add 1 to a number. You would obviously know it equals 5, which shows that 1 plus 4 and 4 plus 1 equal the same number. So let's try some examples of doing these in your head. So let's say you have 5 plus 3. So remember how we added 2 or 1 in your head? You would just count that many forward. So it's the same thing with adding 3. You start with 5, which is the number you have originally. You count 3 more. So you start with 5, then 6, 7, 8, because that's 3, right? 3 spots, so 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. And once again, this is just like doing the number line in your head. So let's say you had 8 plus 3. Start with 8 and you count 3 more. So 9, 10, 11. So 8 plus 3 equals 11. So how about for adding 4? Let's say you had 2 plus 4. So you start with 2 and you add 4. So you would count 4 spots. So you start with 2, you go 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 4 equals 6 because you're counting forward 4 spots. How about 6 plus 4? Start with 6, and then you go 7, 8, 9, 10, because you're going 4 spots. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. Aren't these very simple?